Is it just full whop at these things?
Yeah.
Yes, we're back, and today is a good day. 1, the sun is out. 2, we're going to be facing that up, and we're going to be testing it. And I'm on a bridge. Let's do it. So the clouds opened up and the rain came down so hard. I didn't want that fresh lip to kind of get washed down into the bottom while it's still setting. You might have noticed actually that I was wearing like an all-in-one onesie. Like, that's an IXS one. They're so good. They're great for digging in as well and riding. I would recommend, if you are going to buy one, get one size bigger, because then you can put a hoodie under it or you can wear some joggers under it, and it just allows for that little bit of movement. They're super good. They've saved me loads of times out here when it's been absolutely chucking it down. Get these sheets off, clean this up, get the transition in this bomb all better, and then I think we'll be ready to ride it. Right, we're done. So much better now. On the left looks much more inviting, especially if you're coming in on a dirt jump bike. That's about 8 foot tall, bit more tighter transition. The one on the right here is ideally it's for free ride bikes, bikes with suspension. Transition slacker, there's less compression, it's a bit more floaty, and you do come at it at more speed. We're hitting at about 30-35 mile an hour. Put these ridges in on the side here just to stop any water eroding away all the banks, bit of drainage as well, so all that water that does run down here now just finishes up in the pond. There's water under the bridge. Does that fit in there? I think so, I don't know. Got some of the lads down today, so we're going to session this. And I know the Raider's been struggling, Fear of that one. I think Larry's been struggling with that one. You know, look how inviting it is. Come on lads, let's get it done. Let's get up, yeah.
Well, that was what's called a straight arm nose bonk to back wheel pants. Oh my god!
When there's gold sitting on the throne, let me be the one showing you what I know. Down here is hard as tell your bird. I will get up there and make sure I never will return. Let me be the shadow of your peace tonight.
Is it just full whop at these things?
Yeah.